Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can hard reset this phone. This is Infinix Hot 7. You can hard reset this phone without using any PC, just using buttons. You can check it out. If you don't know the password, to remove the pattern. This is how it looks like for those who doesn't know it. First and foremost, you first put the phone off by pressing power button, long press power button, then you slide, you wait for it to go off totally. Then when it goes off, you press power button and volume up button. Power button and volume up button all together at the same time. Keep on pressing them until you see the screen pops up. As it has popped up, then you let go the power button and keep on pressing volume up button. Then you see no command. You see this interface. When you see this interface, you press both buttons simultaneously. You press them together at the same time. Keep on pressing them until the phone responds like how you want it to be. You keep on pressing until it responds. Then when you see this, then you use volume down to look for where you can wipe data. You use volume down to select, scroll down, then you look for where there is wipe data and factory reset. You click power button to select, volume down, scroll, then power button, click on yes so that it can respond. When it doesn't show the reboot system, that means it has not formatted. What you do, you go back, you wait for it to go on, then when it goes off, or you force it to go off. Then here you go, you press it again like how you did before, then you scroll until you go to more, then you select using power button, you select using power button to wipe the data, scroll down, yes, then you reboot. Now it has showed it. You see it's already wiping data. So please guys, for subscribe, for watching till the end, like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.